Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the home tab or home button in your keyboard. So let's go quick into it. Now every version or every type of computer, depending on the manufacturer, like if you have a Dell, Asus, HP or any other manufacturer of your laptop, if you're using any of that, then each keyboard has a different, like placement of each keys on a keyboard. So your home key or your home button could be at the bottom, could be on the right side, could be on the top side, or on the uh right or left side, or in your numeric pad, or in between your delete keys and your alt keys. So it depends on every version of your computer or your laptop. So what you can do is you just need to simply locate the home tab. So in my HP laptop, my home tab is located in the numeric pad. So let me also show you this for the on-screen keyboard. What does it looks like? Or so this is the home tab. You'll find the very word right here. It's in the it spells like HOME. You can simply find that. Now once you find the home tab, then let's go and how we can use that. So I have this document right here. Now we need to use the home tab. So first is if I am going to, so I am at the last line right here, at the very last line of our story. Now I want to go back to the top to the very start. So we need to press Control plus Home. Again, it's Control plus Home, CTRL key, Control key plus Home. And let's see if it will bring us to the top. And there you go. I am now at the very top for the title. That's the first one. The second one is if I'm going to select all of this. So I'm just going to place the cursor at the very last line. And then we are going to press Control plus Shift plus Home. It's Control plus Shift plus Home. And all of these lines are selected. That's the second one. Now the third one. So I am right here at the author or the reference on the last letter. And then we are going to simply press Home. And now I am at the very first letter for the reference. From M to A by pressing Home. And that's it. Now if we're going to open a website, let's open from Chrome. Let's just simply search for anything. Google. Let's click. And let's try another website. Like Stories. And then we're going to click one. And now let's go to the very end of this website. And then press the home key on your keyboard. And you will be at the top. If I scroll this down to the bottom and press the home button, I am at the top. So those are the uses or how you can use the home button or the home key on your keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.